crafters, thanks for clicking on this video today. So today we will be trying out this new brand from Dollar Tree. It's called the Color Flow Resin Studio. It is a variety of different things such as mica powders, pigment inks like this one, and they do have different colors. I did pick up quite a few different ones, and I will be trying this out, but I will be trying it out with clay because, you know, I like to do lots of earrings and jewelry with clay. So I'll be using the Sculpey Primo. I got this from Hobby Lobby for $13.99, but I think it was actually on sale for like 40% off, so I did save some dollars. I'll be using my acrylic roller, also my Atlas 150. I'll also be using my blade, and these are the mica powders that I picked up. So it's a pack of 4. I picked up both of them. These are the only ones I saw, but the colors are very pretty. So this one is more like a cool toned, and then this one here is more of a warm toned. So I want to mix them up, see what I get. So I will be making 1 slab for the earrings, and then this is the resin pigment inks that I picked up. So I have the red, blue, rose, and yellow. So I'm not sure exactly yet what colors I will be choosing, but I really was interested in making a video with you guys using these in my clay slabs. So let's see, try it out and see how good it is, and in a future video I will be trying this out as well for actual resin pieces. So if you guys are interested, please like the video, comment down below, and subscribe, and let's get started. Alrighty, so this is what I have to work with. So I wanted to try 3 powders, or 3 mica powders, and 3 pigment inks. So I'm going to show you guys what I want to use for the powders first. I want to use the pink. Ooh, it looks really pretty. And then I want to use the gold. I love it. It's like a 24 karat gold. And I want to use the green. So I will be using these 3 mica powders. And then for the inks, I think I'll be using the rose, the yellow, maybe the red. So let me go get some gloves. So I think I'll be changing the green for the blue. That way it kind of matches this blue as well. So I will try the green at some other point. I hate using gloves because I feel more like free with my hands. But hey, let's just do this. 1 little scoop. Not sure if that's too much. I don't know yet. And of course, I should have started with the brighter color. And I opened this the wrong way. Okay, yep, I'm already messing it up. Alright, so we won't get as much just because, you know, I already poured it in there. Now for our last color. And yes, I should have grabbed the lightest color first and then up into the darkest color. But, you know, I am just all over the place today. Try and pour in 2 dots. Okay, there's always something. Let's see what that does. This is the rose colored, and this is the blue. Sorry, I've got dogs that are going crazy because there's people outside. So let's go ahead with the powder first, and I'm gonna go ahead with the lightest, well, almost lightest one. And this is really pigmented. This is actually very impressive. I don't think I needed that much then. Wow, I like it. The pink is also, it's a little bit sheerish, but it is also very pretty and very nice. It's not as pigmented as the gold, but it does have a nice color to it. And the blue, it is very pretty, and I'd say it is pigmented. But that gold just surprised me so much. It's very pretty. This is a 10 out of 10, 8 out of 10, 8 out of 10. But the pink, I think I like more than the blue just because I love pink. So, you know, I'm always going to choose pink. So let's go ahead with the yellow. So I did go ahead and add just a little bit more. This rose color is pretty. But yeah, same thing. It's just not as pigmented as you would see it be in actual resin. So yeah, I will be trying this out in resin later in a few videos from now. And I added 2 more dots. And then I will leave this to dry. So let's go ahead and start mixing in the mica powder ones, but I want to show you guys how they look. This is the blue. This is the pink. It's a very pretty soft pink. And my favorite is the gold. Look at that. So let's go ahead and I'm going to start mixing them up together, and then I will mix this one up and I'll be back with you guys. Okay, so this is what we have. So the top ones are the ones with resin, and then the bottom ones are the ones with the powder pigments. I really do like the shimmer that they have on the powdered ones. Just looks really nice. And then the gold, I do like it. It's just, it doesn't look how it was looking at first, but it's really, really nice. And then the yellow kind of got mixed in with a little bit of the blue, so it kind of turned out into like a lime greenish yellow color. And then this one is one of my favorite ones. It looks really, really pretty. And same with this one. I really do like the resin pigment more than the powder in some of them, like the blue and the pink. But then I prefer the gold versus the yellow. So now I really don't know what I'm going to be doing with these, but we could just pretty much stack them up together and then twist it up together and see what we get. So I might do that. Let me just roll them out just a little bit more. Alright, so I decided at last minute to use the silver powder. So I don't know, just trying different things out. So what I'm going to be doing is rolling up each individual piece, but before that I will be adding just a little bit of the silver onto it, just to see if that does anything really. It's a pretty color, it's just, it's not as pigmented as the gold. And now we can go ahead and roll it up. Now that they're rolled up, I will be rolling them up even more. I know it looks like it's a mess, but just trust the process. Alright, so these are the colors that I have, and you're probably thinking, why did she cover up the pretty colors? But I'm just trying out something different. I don't know. So that's how you pretty much find things you like, just trying things out all the time. So I do have an extra piece. It's just a translucent one. So I thought, why not use it since it's here? I don't want it to go to waste. So I'm going to mix it in there. And now what we're going to do is pretty much just roll them together and make it one piece of clay. But we're gonna like twist it up like that. It's gonna look pretty cool, hopefully. So now what we're gonna do is twist it even more. Hopefully we get something pretty. Like, this is why I like clay, because you can create so many things and you never know what you're gonna end up with. Just throw in some colors, mix some things up, and see what you get. So now what we're gonna do is split it up and let's see what we have. That looks pretty cool. So let's roll these two together and like squish them together so you can get like a block to work with. So I want to do a test first. I want to see what I'm going to do, if I'm going to go with option A or option B. So first I want to slice and see what we get in the center. So this is what we get. or we're gonna slice on top. So we end up with this or with this. It's almost the same thing. So what I will do is pretty much just go with a slicing of each, like this, because I think it'll just be easier, honestly. And we are now going to pair them together. And now we are going to just roll it, make it one piece. So this is before the roller. And this is after. It looks really, really nice. I don't know if I should roll it once more. I think I will, just because the ends look kind of all over the place. So I will do it just because of the ends. And hopefully we get this really nice pattern. So yes, we did get it on the whole piece. And I really do like how it turned out. It's really pretty. And it's very shimmery. I don't know if I should even use resin for these, for the finishing touches. But let's go ahead and cut these out into our little pieces. Alright, crafters, so this is what they look afterwards. So after baking, they did change colors just a little bit, like they just darkened up a little bit more, but they look really, really pretty, and I love them. I really especially love, look, I'm gonna show you guys what I love most is the, like the glow that they have to them, like a shimmer. It's very, very nice, and I know with resin on top it'll make it even better. So I'm not even sure which ones I will resin and which ones I will not. I'm not sure if I will do all of them with resin or what I will do. So this is a day after baking the earrings, and my throat started hurting and it started getting itchy, and yeah, I'm sick. So I'm sorry for my ugly voice right now. But yes, let's file these down. There's not much to file, so that's good. And then after that, I will be making some little holes or drilling some holes in them. And then I will do the resin part. So let's get that over with. Alrighty, crafters, so these are the earrings that I made. I am in love with these. I really do love how they turned out, especially these. I don't know, I just love these, like the shape so much, and they are studded. So I always love studded earrings, but look at the colors and look at that shine. Like, oh my god, I really did love how these turned out. And I'm super excited to wear these and show them off when I take some pictures on my Instagram account. So yes, I am totally loving them so much. And the only thing is, you cannot really see the pink. Like, the pink is pretty much not there, even though I used a pretty good amount, but the blue really did overpower, and so did the gold, which I do love because there is a really nice glow to them. So it's okay. I love how they turned out, and I am really, really just impressed with the quality of these products from Dollar Tree. Each product was $1.25, so I will keep buying them when I see new things, and I will be making a new video shortly, maybe in a couple weeks, trying other colors out. So yeah, I did love how they turned out. And again, I am very sorry for my horrible voice. I decided to get sick, I guess, and this video I am literally just finishing it up so I can upload it as soon as possible because I'm not sure if it'll be on time. But thank you guys for your time. Hope you guys like it. Please like the video, comment down below what you think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.